Hey everyone, see my gear? You know what we're going to do today? Hear the stream? Take that! Come over quick!
What?
We need a coach. Hurry up!
What now?
Coach!
Hey, coach.
Hi everyone.
Hey, this place is stunning and this stream is so cool.
Yes, today we're river tracing. We'll head that way.
Oh, that way?
Yes, it's a 1.3 kilometer trek. One way, 1.3 kilometers, round trip 2.6 kilometers.
Not bad. You say it's gorgeous up there?
It's amazing. At the top, in this 30-meter Jinyue Waterfall, the legendary Jinyue Waterfall.
All right. Lead the way.
Let's go!
Go!
This is so fun. This is my first time river tracing. I've only hiked trails before, the easy ones. This time, it's the real deal. If you don't lean back, you'll slip easily. Keep your weight back, not forward. Grip tight and I'll show you what not to do. If you lean forward, you're going to slip and fall like this. Go well!
Lean back! Step steady and move! Move your foot here! Then this way! Then climb up!
Move your weight back, like that. Straighten your foot. Keep at it. Move your hands up, doing good. 1, 2, 3, okay! Pulling the rope isn't easy because the current is strong and the ground is slippery. Make sure you stay safe. I slipped.
It's so slippery. Oh, Taiwan is such an incredible place. It's small in size but offers so many fun and beautiful spots. Wow, I'm truly amazed. Hey, this is all fun. You need to challenge yourself. Hop over rocks, but be careful and don't slip. Oh, compared to walking, river tracing feels thrilling. Oh, you're surrounded by beautiful cliffs and lush plants. The water is so clean, like crystal clear. So much fun! Oh, it's deep here. Hey, right here, right here.
I can't touch the bottom.
Oh, really?
It's amazing.
Hey, guess what? My nose was blocked. Now it's clear, like...
It's all water.
It's cleared up. Awesome. Oh, this activity I would recommend for foreigners. Like, whether they love the outdoors or not, once they try it, they'll definitely love it.
The legendary waterfall.
We arrived!
It's massive.
So beautiful!
Climbing all the way here, how do you feel? Climbing ropes was fun. Yeah, that was my first time. It's great.
I love river tracing in Taiwan. Like, Brazil has it too, but it's not like this. The nature here is just different. This trip is perfect for people like us, young people who love adventure, right?
Exactly.
And when we got here, I saw kids playing, and someone asked them, "Hey guys, did you trek up here?" They said no, they came from other way.
Right, there is another way.
Oh, so kids can come here too.
Do you think it's over?
Isn't it?
Not yet. We'll explore up there first, then try something even more thrilling below. All right?
Oh, there's more excitement below.
Get ready. Let's go.
All right.
Ouch. When we reached the destination, we saw the waterfall. It was majestic. As we got closer, the water cascaded down. The mist sprayed all around. Stepping inside, you can feel the full embrace of nature. The misty atmosphere was simply amazing. This experience is so cool. So much fun.
Cool!
No big deal. It's all good. I'm definitely not screaming. Okay, 3, 2, ah! Ah! So scary. I'm afraid of heights. Even small amusement parks like kiddie rides at Shiling make me nervous. I'd scream so loud. But this time I thought, why not take on the challenge? I closed my eyes and jumped. In that moment, it felt like 20 seconds. seconds, maybe even 30. Time seemed to slow down, and yet it felt like I was about to fly.
Awesome! This is great. Oh, nice, nice. Gee, what a blast.
Want to do it again?
Yes!
Let's climb up again.
There's so many steps coming down, I'll never forget them. There are like two types of slides. One is super fast, and the other one is slower. But it's from the higher spot, like you drop straight down.
Whoa! Hey, hold on! Are you okay? I'm good. Alright, wait here.
Oh, got it, got it.
Keep your body straight.
Hey, coach! Be gentle, oh my! Oh no! No! Oh, that was scary. Oh, every activity is so thrilling, like each one feels unique. Absolute one of a kind. All great.
Are you ready? Yes!
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
I thought it'd be just a second or two, but coming down it felt like 30 or 40 seconds.
Your mind slows everything down.
It's like a film reel playing. A montage of thoughts appears. So fun and exciting. You have to try it. That said, this afternoon's activity feels more chill and relaxing. This is another must-do at Nan'ao, river drifting. Ride an inflatable raft down the stream, sometimes fast, sometimes slow. Admire the majestic cliffs and the crystal clear water. In just 1 hour, time flies by. Whether it's river tracing or drifting, both are perfect for nature lovers that enjoy exploring the outdoors.
Cheers! Oh, so refreshing. Hey, Will, listen. After river drifting, I'm really thirsty now. So let's relax a bit. But why did you bring me to this roadside shop?
Let me tell you, this ice shop is amazing. My friend said they have a unique dessert that you can only find here. Nowhere else has it.
At Linking368Taiwan, we try authentic special food with character, or the producers will get angry.
Our signature dish, Missionary Ice with egg. Missionary Ice with egg? Ice with egg? Really? Have you tried it?
Wait. I can wrap my head around this. What is this?
This is Missionary Ice, our specialty. It's what early missionaries ate.
Oh, really?
Yes. According to what my father told me, Suhua Highway wasn't as developed back then. Jimen bus only ran twice a day to this area. Missionaries that came here to preach to the locals would need to fill up, so they asked the shopkeeper to add red beans, mung beans, peanuts, and eventually an egg.
Oh, people really did this?
Yes, for more sustenance. So this was their meal? Exactly. Life was tough back then.
So how do you eat this? Just stir it?
Just mix it with ice. It becomes like scrambled eggs. Let me
Look
try.
at this.
It's salty and sweet.
Okay, look at this. In one spoonful, we get like red beans, peanuts, ice, and egg yolk.
Egg yolk.
And even mung beans.
How do you like it? It melts in your mouth. Does it taste like eggs?
Oh, just dig in. It's good. It's really good, but let's not focus on the egg.
The ice is soda flavored, right?
You're right, it's the taste of soda.
Yes, it's actually clear ice.
The texture is so fine. It's not like regular shaved ice.
Yes, very smooth.
Which is like chunkier and almost like ice cubes. This is much softer.
The older generation used to say that this is eating frost.
Oh,
Yes, in Taiwanese it's jiasengan. Jiasengan, eating frost. The texture has to be like frost. Then we take it out.
Oh, so then the fine ice is mixed with like red beans, mung beans, and peanuts. Oh, it blends perfectly. It's perfection. Oh, yes, the egg yolk also adds a hint of sweetness, right? Like taste of the past. Speak of the past, there's a strange retro machine in the
That's
shop.
our
Like,
ice
what
maker.
is this?
There aren't many like it in Taiwan. When my dad and I service it, we have to make parts ourselves, find ways to remake them. That's the only way.
And now it's the shop's treasure.
You have to take care of it like a wife, handle it with lovingly care, maintain it. Endless streams of customers order the egg-topped Missionary Ice. It's become a must-try delicacy in Nan'ao. Making ice, scooping it, adding toppings, even cracking eggs. Watching the shop bustling with activity, accompanied by the owner's shouts, it's the most heartfelt charm of Nan'ao. Next time, save some time and join us for a bowl of ice.